Rapping for Jamaicans.
Sick is right.
This is what I live for. This is all I know. So let's go hard or go home. Falling off's never an option. Suffocating through plastic to breathe, you better find a hole or either pop it. Gotta want it bad as an exhale. Cause with that constraint, you feeling your life go. Seeing that light glow, pray to God like no. Give me another push, hopes, prayers, and wishes. You feeling your ambition. Look, grind ain't but a word, hustle ain't but a verb. Faith ain't faith without work, grind without dirt. Take advantage of time, it's my word. Been up since 6 in the morning just to notice that it's 6 in the morning of the next day. Sleep comes and it goes like the money, so you stay up for them ones and them O's. Hey, get paper. Jordan was the greatest, then he tried to get greater. Trying to be the best, never mind a hater. If money be the Henny, I'm coke chaser. Born in the business, since I was a youth getting busy. Pop put the knowledge in me, uncle taught me how to make a beat. Now it's on, I'm ready to be the best in the game. 23 look.
Yeah, what might be surprising to most people is that I'm a police officer. And every time I pull up certain places with my car, the first question they ask, police drive them nice car? Yeah, we're a part of it. We love it too. But remember, when you're on the road, observe all of the rules and the regulation that governs our island. On the road, stay safe, drive safe, buckle up at all times. You know? That's it. Sole purpose and daily driven. I have no problem doing that, you know. One day it will leave me, but for now I'll enjoy it. Of course, but it's just a simple smile and wave after being pulled over. That's all. It was my sister Jody, saw me coming down the road one day, and she said, you just take your car low and you drive slow, you don't see a whole lot of traffic. I said, alright, low and slow. So everybody, from there everybody call it that, low and slow. Paint job was done by a very good friend Swanee from out of Rockabessa St. Mary. You know, he did an excellent job. Paid keen attention to details, never missed nothing. It's perfect, trust me. You know, Virgin Kobe, Martin, everybody. You know.
Wishes you feeling your ambition. Look, grind ain't but a word, hustle ain't but a verb. Faith ain't faith without work, grind without dirt.
Say something. My name is Jason Holgate.
Somebody come and look at this.
And I drive a 1999 Honda Civic EK.
Hold on. Look at this.
My name is Jason Holgate, and I drive.
Look at this.
Help me not catch it.
Got him! You got him!
Uncle taught me how to make a beat. Now it's on, I'm ready to be the best in the game. 23, look, 6 feet 160. Born in the city with a skinny die. Shot locked up, cup of skinny wrist. Let a mouse send him home, not a penny for a trip. Gotta be a man. Streets like jungle, life hard enough to survive and stay humble. Take another puff, fly like Bumble. Roll that, you get high. Pop was a rolling stone, yet I learned anything that you receive, then you earn. So when I'm gone, and though you torn, just know that I do it for us. Days turn to weeks, weeks turn to months. I know it feels like forever, but things will get better. We gon' make it. When it's our time, know that we gon' take it. No mistaking. You hear him say the best that's yet to come. So why settle for next to one? Never nothing less than excellent. And invest in you, that's the best money.